How to cook orange chicken, coming up. Welcome back to Cooking with Rod. Today I have a special guest in the kitchen helping me out.
His little assistant, Cavell.
My little assistant, Cavell. All right, so you need to have your chicken, cut it up into nice sized chunks. So the recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts. So you cut them up in chunks. We also have barbecue sauce, soy sauce, orange marmalade, cornstarch, as well as green onions for garnishing. So we're going to take the chicken, go ahead and put that in the Instapot. All right, so what I did was I went ahead and put the Instapot on saute so it would heat faster. So we're gonna so we got the chicken in there. We're gonna add our barbecue sauce, going to add that in there. Dump it all in. Go ahead and grab your soy sauce. Go ahead and dump that in there. I'm going to mix that up. After you put your barbecue sauce and your soy sauce in, you want to mix it up. You got to get up under it. There you go. You got to get up under there. Mix it in there. Excellent. So we're going to change this from saute to manual. You got to keep warm. Hit manual. We're going to do it for 4 minutes. We're going to go ahead and put the top on that. So it looks like our time is up. You want to do a quick release. We're going to take our top off. So we're going to take a 1/4 cup of our barbecue sauce mixture. And we're going to add our cornstarch to that. This is going to help thicken your sauce. Let's use a bigger bowl. Mix it up like that. And you may find that you may require a little bit more cornstarch depending on the size servings that you're using. So mix that up real nice in there. Put that back in. We're going to switch this to saute. We're going to let that heat up, and we're just going to mix that up for about 6 minutes. You should hear it working its magic. So you just mix it up for about 6 minutes. The sauce will thicken up. So after you've mixed this up for about 6 minutes or so, you should begin to see the sauce thicken up. Let's go ahead and pull some out. Put on the plate. That's what it looks like. So we're going to have this over some cauliflower rice. I've also sauteed some asparagus with a little bit of olive oil, garlic. I'm telling you, you can have this with anything you choose, but let's not forget our garnishing. Take your green onions and sprinkle them on the top as you desire. There you have it. Orange chicken. Bon appetit. Let me know what you think. Please leave comments down in the comment section. Once again, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. And also, you want to hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload one of these beauties. Thanks for coming by. We'll see you later. That's all.